Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about these AI powered music tools called Singify. So let's get started with a quick review and breakdown about this platform. So to get started, Singify is an AI powered music tools that lets user create a realistic song cover using AI generated voice with hundreds of voice models. From celebrities to fictional character, you can upload a song, choose a voice, and generate a high-quality cover in minutes. The platform also supports a vocal removal, pitch adjustment, and a lyric generation, make it great for music creators, YouTubers, or anyone experimenting with sound. It's a beginner-friendly and offer a both free and paid plan. However, while the results are impressive, some AI voice still sounds robotic or lack emotional depth. The free version comes with a limited credit, and the advanced features like voice cloning or batch processing are locked behind a higher tier subscription. Despite that, Signify is worth if you are looking for a fun, creative way to explore music using AI. It's especially useful for quick demos, parties, content, or testing out new songs idea without needing a recording studio. So that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI tools platform. And that's it. Find the video helpful, hit the turn on the notification button and make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks.